Alright, today we got a special treat here for Mr. Man Bear Pig. Let's see what it is. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, yes, he is. Look at him. He just wants out to play. Hello. Yeah, you're adorable. Alright, little buddy. You ready to go play? Hold on. Oh, there's Man Bear Pig. He's been smelling them. He wants a piece of that ass. See if I can do this without fucking Man Bear Pig jumping out. Yeah, he's coming up. I'll just sit there right there. Alright, there's said bird in said cage. Man Bear Pig just struck at me. He missed, did bash his face. Oh. I gotta start paying attention here. I'm gonna mess up this video. Polly want a snake? Polly want a snake? Get out of the water. You getting water everywhere in there? That ain't cool. That ain't your house to mess up. You're just a guest. Come on, man. Get him. Oh, I think the bird's scared. Man Bear Pig there, little pussy. It's a showdown. Say hi. Let's see if I can bait it. Oh! Oh, he scared the shit out of me. I wasn't expecting that. I was trying to bait him over toward the bird. Didn't quite work out. Come on. There you go. Get him. Get him. Get him. What are you not hungry, dude? I fed you like 3 days ago. Maybe 2. There it goes. He got him. Talk to me, little bird. Oh, there. Yep, he's dying. Yep. That is sheer pain and anguish. Oh, and the head goes limp. Bird's passed out. He is spasming, though. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Can't see where the hell his face is. Oh, wait, there it is. I don't know if you can see that there. Yep, Man Bear Pig's letting him go. Get ready to get his bird chow on. I wonder if I took that bird back to Petland and tell them when I got home it was dead in the box, if they just give me another one, so I could watch them kill them all day long. Alright, that's good, man. I don't want a long-ass video. We'll stop with that. Maybe, if I can figure out how to stop it.